Deep within the rolling hills of Kentucky lies a site of profound historical significance, Camp Nelson National Monument. Established as a fortified supply depot by the U.S. Army in April 1863, this expansive site evolved into a haven for African American soldiers and their families during the Civil War. As a refugee camp and recruitment center for the United States Colored Troops, USCT, Camp Nelson played a critical role in the fight against slavery and the struggle for freedom. Upon arrival, visitors are welcomed by the Visitor Center, which features engaging exhibits that tell the deeply moving stories of the men, women, and children whose lives were forever changed by their experiences at Camp Nelson. Venture into the restored barracks to imagine life as a USCT soldier, and explore the nearby Perry House to gain insight into the lifestyle and operations within the camp. A series of well-maintained trails offers guests the opportunity to step into history while immersed in Kentucky's natural beauty. These trails are perfect for reflecting on the sacrifice and resilience exemplified by those who served and lived here. For a more immersive experience, young visitors can engage with the monument's history through the Junior Ranger program, which provides educationally enriching activities aimed at fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of the park's significance. Throughout the year, Camp Nelson offers reenactments and living history demonstrations that bring the past to life in a profound and tangible way. These captivating presentations showcase the artillery drills performed by the 14th Kentucky Light Artillery, providing a glimpse into the conditions under which the USCT soldiers prepared for their vital role in the war. Kentucky's moderate climate makes Camp Nelson National Monument a great destination year-round. Expect warm, humid summers and cooler winters, with wetter months from March to July and the possibility of storms or more extreme temperatures. As you plan your visit, keep in mind the park's ongoing commitment to preserving and commemorating the brave individuals who fought not only for their emancipation but also for the foundation of equality and civil rights in America. Camp Nelson National Monument isn't just a relic of the past. It's an ongoing reminder of the courage and resolve of African American soldiers who joined the Union Army and fought for their freedom and for the soul of a nation. As a poignant symbol of our history, each path, structure, and exhibit speaks to the indomitable pursuit of liberty. Whether you're a student of history, a lover of nature, or a family looking for an enriching experience, this national treasure invites you to walk the grounds and connect with the stories that helped shape our nation. Join this journey back in time and honor the immense contributions of those who passed through Camp Nelson in their quest for freedom. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.